Hey legends, and welcome to our channel. We are Matt, Sarah, and Zeppelin. And for the past 7 years, we've been living the dream, exploring every nook and cranny of Australia in our Willow Boab caravan and cruising in Fuzz, our Fuso Canter. In this series, we're taking you along the stunning West Coast to answer the burning question, is West really best? Let the adventure begin.
In 1 kilometre, turn right, Booby Road.
I am so excited. So we are travelling with John and Sil from Lost in the Right Direction, and we're heading into a place called Spear Creek.
And I was like, yeah, they do salt bush lamb and stuff. I thought it was okay, and then I actually looked at it last night, and I'm very happy. 4-wheel drive, tracks, walking trails, all that sort of stuff. I'm very excited about it.
Yeah.
500 metres, turn right, Booby Road.
So they have like bush camping, powered sites, non-powered. So we're really excited. The road is obviously pretty bumpy coming in, but it's all tarred, perfectly fine. And check out this amazing scenery.
200 metres, turn right, Booby Road.
Check how you do your GoPros up. Of course, obviously didn't screw it in properly. Alright, we'll have another go at that. I'm not having much luck with this thing. Now it's fallen off. Truck is a bit dirty though.
So we're having a heck of a day. We're travelling into Spears Creek and we've stopped 3 times. So one point we lost our caravan mat off the front toolbox on the van. Luckily no damage there. There was no other cars and we were able to pick it back up. Now driving into Spears Creek, Matt's put a GoPro on the outside of the truck just to get a bit of footage, and it's just fallen off. So I am hoping it is still working. We're 3 for 3 today. What else can happen? Well, Matt.
Yeah, I didn't screw it in. Yeah, mate, the bolt was still in there, but without the GoPro.
That's funny.
Right, so it's not broken?
No, it's still working. Still recording.
Beautiful.
I told everyone how stupid I was.
Stand there with his jocks.
Of course he's got his pants down. Why? Because they're inside out.
All day. It only took me till 5 o'clock this afternoon to find out, figure out that.
At Spears Creek, there's something to suit everybody. After settling in, we explored the property and there are amenities like a laundry and a camp kitchen. Even the bush camps feature flushing toilets.
So, in the tree.
It's in my best to keep
She needed help getting up. She's not getting any help getting down.
Nestled at the foot of the Flinders Ranges, the views are simply breathtaking. From bushwalks to sunsets, there's no shortage of beauty. We had a ball with John and Sylv dancing the night away around the fire. The sights are well set out, and it felt as though we had the whole place to ourselves. After an amazing 3 days, it was really hard to say goodbye. We headed from Spear Creek to Port Augusta to get all the chores done before heading west, and then we headed out for our first camp spot.
What's going on, Sarah?
Nothing.
On a dirt road?
Yeah, we're turning into Tucker's something or other. Rocks or
wave rocks or something. We're sitting here waiting for Sylvia. We just pulled up. She's putting the dust reduction on their van. Out she comes. Step in, Sylvia.
Where did we come from today?
Port Augusta, Sarah.
Port Augusta. Yeah, it's hard life when you travel. It's hard to keep track.
So yeah, done a few, about 200 k's today, 220 k's. All good. Well, this is our first stop, Tcharkuldu. Sarah will correct me on what it is. Free campground. A couple of 100 k's from, or 150 k's from Ceduna. Our first stop, heading west.
Yep, we're pretty excited. Just going on a bit of a walk up this giant hill. It's pretty big. Not very fit.
Around the edge of this rock outcrop, they've built a wall around the edge. So when it rains, the water all collects and runs down to the homestead down the bottom here. Very interesting.
Okay, now that's right. So we're going to be rock climbing.
Yeah.
It's going to be the best day of my life.
For a minute in the quiet, it feels like it was before. I get lost just for a moment, thinking.
Hi guys, we're going to look at more caves.
More cave? Do you want to go up there or not?
If you want to, yeah.
Come
on.
Oh, might be a bit hard to get up there.
Come on.
Alright, okay, go.
You said you could climb.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Dad's going to try and get through there.
Am I too fat to get up here?
We have no idea. And that looks like Dad has successfully made it.
We made it to the top, mate.
You know we're going to have to go down the same way.
Oh, nah, we got this. It wasn't a hard climb, but it was a lot higher than what you think.
I feel so low. I'm not myself. Was there something in the wind? Was it meant to?
Alright, so we're heading into Davenport Creek, and this is our first real corrugated road, well, distance of corrugations in the truck. So far so good. We are obviously getting shook a little bit.
Not really bad.
Not bad.
Worse than in a car.
No.
I'm very happy.
I don't know if you can see the little, things shaking up there, but yeah, it's not too bad in the bay.
I'm thinking quite comfortable. Probably better than the Ranger actually on the corrugation.
There you go. So we've got John and Sil up ahead there. Just spectacular views.
Loving it. John's getting Sylvia's van dirty. She loves it when it gets dirty. Moving along at a tidy little speed too.
That's it.
Be pulled apart from everything I knew, like golden leaves when it's their time to fall. But I didn't want to feel this way. Tired of being out of place. Give me a one-way ticket out of here, someplace I know I can.
come to the first camp that we were thinking about staying at. Now there's a couple of spots sort of jammed in up the top here. It's not really good for the van, but there is all spots down the bottom. But being our first day doing this, dragging 3.5 ton van down there with all the whoops and everything is fine going down. I ain't sure how about coming back up, so we might test things a little bit before we start doing that much stuff. Lovely little spot. There is one van down there, but it's got no plates or anything. I think it's just been put here as permanent, same as this little one up here. Have a check it out though. Beautiful scenery. Yep, time to go.
I feel so low. I'm not myself. I feel so low. I'm not myself.
All right, Sylvia, what's happened? Sylvia, did John lead us down a dead-end track?
Yeah.
We did say, John, you lead the way, you know where we're going. He did take us to the right spot, but
No, can't do it.
you know what, not first day in. We'll do them hills with the caravan after we get Sylvia and Sarah a bit better with it, yeah?
Okay, let's just doesn't put sliding.
So we're gonna go find somewhere else.
Next episode, we start the journey across the Nullarbor with John and Syl from Lost in the Right Direction. Things get pretty hairy along the old air highway. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe